If the inverter is shut down or locked due to a fault, the DC indicator on the inverter is steady red. The app reports alarm 2002-2003 DC arc fault. The inverter status displayed is shutdown, fault. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. Remote troubleshooting. Check the PV voltage on the Fusion Solar Smart PVMS. If the voltage has dropped to 0, troubleshoot the device on site. Update the inverter software and DCM bus software to the latest versions. Manually clear the alarm. If the fault persists, troubleshoot the device on site. On-site troubleshooting. Take these actions. Turn off the switches. Turn off the AC switch. Turn off the DC switch. Check the DC module terminals. Check whether they are correct and not aged. Check whether arcs are generated or there is a poor contact. Remove and reinstall each MC4 terminal and take photos. Check the DC module cable connections. Check the cable connections between PV module supports and at the intersection points of PV string extension cables. Check each connector and take photos. Clear the alarm on the app. If the alarm is triggered for 5 or more times within 24 hours, the inverter will be locked for protection. After troubleshooting, connect to the app locally and clear the alarm. Reset the inverter and connect it to the grid. Check on the app. Ensure that all devices in the system are online and normal. The inverter is in on-grid state, and the battery charge and discharge are normal. If the problem persists, contact Huawei technical support.